I'm gonna show you how to propagate plants. I've already tried this before. This is the first one I tried. I attempted probably a month ago. You see the roots are really long. And then let's flash forward probably 3 weeks ago. It's at right here. And then this was probably 2 weeks ago. This one is probably a month. I would say about a month. If you hear. Different ways to propagate. What you do is you just take the nodes. You see the node? This is the node. This is a node. And once it's immersed in water, eventually it'll take root. As you can see with this one, all of these were at one point nodes. If I cut it right here and then, or if I just propagate this whole branch and somehow, even though I don't have one long enough, if I just get a long thing and then put it in there and it'll propagate it like that, this will eventually become a really long vine. All the energy will start growing into one long vine. And you know when you see pathos plants that are really long vines, typically there's multiple roots coming out of one vine, like this.
Okay.
Now I'm going to, or you could do single vine, or you could cut each one of them like I will be doing here, about in the middle, which will make these all individual plants. Eventually this will be the vine, right? And then nodes and whatever will grow out of this. It'll take a lot longer than having one big one, but
so
it'll be thicker. It'll be a thicker plant. You can plant multiple ones of these. So I'm just gonna cut these, and I might leave, I think I'll leave this as a vine. We'll see. Just place it in like so, and eventually it'll start growing. Mason jars are great for them. Guys, go try yourself and just have fun with it.